वहिले डोंगरी रान कापिले हुसकेचे ग बाई रान कापिले हुसकेचे देऊळ बांधिले बसकेचे ग बाई देऊळ बांधिले बसकेचे वहिले डोंगरी ग बाई वहिले डोंगरी रान कापिले
Not many have wandered into my territory. Goa is often associated with palm trees and pristine beaches. But then, the forest is a huge unexplored territory in Goa, spanning across more than 750 square kilometers of the protected forests of Western Ghats, is one of the most biodiverse hotspots of the world, pulsating with life. These forests hold deep secrets, the secrets of life. Interconnected ecosystems flow into each other and merge seamlessly. Welcome to my world, the web of life. It's the time of the monsoons. The manna from heaven is gushing through the veins of the forest. Life in all its splendor occupies every inch of my forest. As the night sets in, a new cast of nocturnal characters come to life. Come winters, and the fluorescent greens give way to varied hues of yellow and green. A forest floor can be full of surprises. Death can come from anywhere, even from the sky. The food chain keeps the law of nature in place. Hiding and blending, a strategy used by most of my residents. The keelback tries to employ the same, but it's pretty hard to beat the sharp binocular vision of the purple heron. It seems game over for the keelback. But it won't go down without a fight. Ultimately, it's the survival of the fittest here. As numbers multiply in my forest, how many will last through the summer is something which will be their first test. Except for a few pockets, there is hardly any water left, and food is scarce. Waterholes become the new socializing spots. While the spotted deer relish on the last remaining green, thirst has got the better of this wild boar. The weaker Sambar is thirsty too, but adopts a far more cautious approach. After all, water holes can be dangerous places. The water hole falls in the territory of this young female leopard. Summers are tough on her too, for she relies on an element of surprise. But the loss of leaf cover is not good news for her. And to add to her misery, the tree dwellers decide to pay off an old debt. After all, they too have been on her menu. It's like as if the entire world is conspiring against her. In a split second, the once busy water hole is now deserted. Once again, she will have to go hungry. But at least she has access to the last remaining water. She has to be quick though, for she is not the biggest cat around here. The food chain plays itself out day after day, season after season. Nothing is ever permanent here. The web of life keeps evolving with every new challenge. Nature keeps writing a new script in every season.
नाही बाप्पा एकटी मी माऊ आहे संगती शीत माझे डोंगरी ग चित्त माझे माहे